Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my smart car. Brake lights are not working and I will show you how it's easy you can change brake light bulb yourself. And let's get started. So the first step will be open the back trunk. Once we open the back door, this is the light we need to replace it. In order to access the brake light, we need to go inside. You see this cutout here, and it has two tabs, one on this side and one on this side. We need to pull like this and this will open up. Once you open it, so this is the padding. We can put the padding on the back like this. So that's the light assembly. So these are the tab right here. We're going to press it and like this you pinch it, press it, and then this assembly pops out. You pull it and then we're going to take this one out. Once we take out the bulb assembly, you really don't need to remove this. That's electrical connector. In case if you need to replace it, then you press these two tabs right here and then you pull it. And if we look at on the back, this is what I wanted to show to you. This is the place, the one tab which locks in here, and that is on the assembly itself. When you press it, it unlocks it, then we pull this one out. You press it and you turn it. So this is the bad bulb we have, and I'm going to replace it with the new bulb. So we're going to put it in the same way and then rotate it. So we all done. So this is the bad, and now we're going to put it back and the same way, and it goes inside the bulb and we're going to press it, and you heard that little click, so it locks in place. So now we're going to test the brake light. Once it's fully snapped in, pull the padding out, three tabs at the bottom, those goes inside the cut, and then you just press it. And that's how it's easy and simple you can fix your brake light. If this video helped you out, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.